Since a couple of months now, this has been my go-to system, my dual screen setup, the two Samsung IPS displays. But now it's time to upgrade, and we have got this brand new MI curved gaming monitor, 34 inches. Let's unbox this and see what's in the box. Hi guys, this is Vibhor here, and this is my brand new MI curved 34 inches gaming monitor. Now this is an amazing new add-on by the Xiaomi, the trusted Xiaomi devices. This has got a 1500 R curvature, and it has a 144 Hertz refresh rate, which is truly amazing at the price point at which this is available. This is QHD resolution, so it's a 1440p. So it's not a full 4K display, but still it is really amazing. It's above a 1080p display, and it has got a 121% sRGB display, which means the color depth of this display is truly amazing. It has got a it also has got the AMD FreeSync premium version for it. That means your NVIDIA display, your NVIDIA gaming, and your FreeSync is going to run perfectly fine. So this is truly a gaming display. Let's open this. It comes in a really big white colored box. Let's open this and see what comes into the box. And one is truly excited about this. Right, it is truly heavy. And all right, so once we open the box, this is what we are looking for. This is a curved display. And a stand to it. Pretty much that's what it is. Let's open the display and see how it looks like. It is heavy, I would say, and there it is. This has got a proper curved display. This is 34 inches diagonally, beautiful. On the rear it has got these buttons to adjust all the settings, and definitely a setup where you can put in your VESA mount or the mount which is available with this stand. I'm going to put it on the stand and let's see how this looks like. The amazing part about this screen is that everything MI has thought to a level, to an extent, that everything is covered behind. This is a magnetic cover, so you can just pull this apart and you can find two HDMI ports, two display ports, and a headphone jack over here. Now if you are really interested into a USB dock on the monitor, this monitor will not have a USB dock, but pretty much at this price point I would not expect a docking station or a USB-C connection for this dock. Also there is an AC power adapter, so everything would go inside, all the cables will go inside, and it will just lock in through the magnetic connection that they have provided. That's amazing. So it does come with this this stand, which will hook on to the display without any screw. All you need to do is single screw to attach it to the stand. For this it comes with this one single screw. Let's attach it. So all you have to do is put this stand on the base. You won't even need a screwdriver for this. This just goes right over here, and you can turn this. There you go. It screws. So that's it, done. This is the base. And now what the beauty about this is, to connect it to this monitor, you do not need anything. These grooves would straight go inside the monitor and attach themselves magnetically. There you go, and that's all connected. Let's pick this up, and this is the monitor in all its glory. The beauty about this monitor is you can tilt it down, tilt it up, you can tilt it sideways. It has got a really nice angle to it. You can also move it like up and down. If you really want it low, you can take it down, or you can take it all the way upwards. Also, what they have done for a really good power management, the powers goes over here, all the cables go over here, which is closed by a magnetic case. Also, all the powers which go through this socket and all the way down to this pillar, this is also magnetic. So all the powers, once they go inside over here, you can just close it through this magnetic socket. There's a real good MI branding on the back. Let's peel this thing off, and that's the MI logo. I love the display. I love the way they have built this entire thing. Let's turn this on, put it with my computer, and let's see how the colors look like. All right, friends, so this is connected to my laptop over here. The display in itself looks really nice. The colors coming out are really good. The best part that I like about this is that the entire timeline is like on one screen now. I can have a really wide view of the timeline, and I can work on my Final Cut Pro and other projects really well. The cable management, as I already said, is really nice. The look of the screen is good. Everything is inside. Everything looks premium. I don't have anything against this screen. The viewing angles are nice. It really can tilt sidewards, which is nice in itself. One thing which I did like about this is that even at the highest position, highest setting, where it is right now, if I want to work on the dual screen and I want to work on my laptop as well, you can see that laptop comes right in front of the screen. That's not much of a problem, because most of the time I would be using the screen itself, but then again I would be mounting this on an arm. I'm gonna get an arm, and then I can keep it like really high, and I can use my laptop also with the screen. Now the on-screen controls of this are really fine. Can't complain much about it. It's the standard display controls which you can see in many other models, other screens. So it does have a smart mode, and it does have a window setting mode, so you can pretty much select if it's just one single display, or you can have two screens right over here, and both the screens can have inputs from two different HDMIs. So that's one handy feature if I want to use it as a dual screen display. Also, what I can do is I can split these into two screens as it is, for which I have got a really nice app over here, which I pretty much use every day, which is called Magnet, and I can use this app to basically split the screens. If I want to use this screen more, and I can convert it to the left 2/3. So this is going to take the left 2/3 area, and if I'm working on a text document or something like that, I can take this to the right third or to center third, wherever I want. So this is a pretty handy feature, guys, and I can basically use split screens as two separate monitors, but then I've got beauty of actually giving more section of the screen to one particular application, like the video editing over here, which require more screen, and probably a video or probably a text document on the right side, or probably a coding that I'm working on the right side, which would take less of a space. So that is really handy. I can actually work on three different screens at the same time if I'm doing coding. So that's really good. So guys, that was my quick unboxing of the MI 34 inches gaming monitor. Now I would not be using it pretty much for gaming, though this does have a 144 Hz refresh rate. I would definitely play some games on it just to have a fun out of it. Like I'm gonna add I'm thinking of adding my Xbox over here and attach this to a second HDMI port, and just attach Xbox on this, because it does have a 2 HDMI ports, and probably it's gonna be good for gaming sometimes when I'm free and I just wanna chill out sometimes. Do let me know how you like this monitor. My altogether a new setup. This is my first widescreen monitor. Gonna use it for a couple of months and then see how it looks like. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like this. Do take care of yourself, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao.